Okay, I made a couple vacuum sealers for jars. You can buy these, but they're really hard to find anymore. I can't find any online anymore. So I made a couple using 3-inch Schedule 40 PVC. Drilled a small hole in the top that matches the hose that came with the vacuum sealer. Okay, put some nice rubber. It was sticky on one side, so pretty tough closed cell rubber. Okay, so got the 3-inch PVC. I had to cut a little bit out on the inside just to make it a little bit more clearance, and that's for the wide mouth. Same cap, same hole, but with a piece of 3-inch PVC in it and another foam ring that I cut out with a razor knife. Stuck it right on the PVC pipe. And we're going to go ahead and seal up a jar here. Make sure your rubber seal is clean, top of the lid is clean. Place it on there, put your cap on. It just sits on there. Plug your hose in. Plug your hose in. Hit seal or vacuum. You can hear that sound. It's got a full vacuum. I'm gonna pop this off and shut it off. Sealed. Completely vacuum sealed. Just that easy. Nothing to it. See, now you can put your ring on there if you want to, but it really doesn't matter once it's vacuum sealed. As long as it keeps that seal and your rubber was clean, it'll stay there for years. I've had them sealed for over 20 years. So, good luck.